Hello everyone, today I'm here from Pand English Learning. Today I want to tell you about English letters. The first thing, if you want to learn a language, the first and important thing is the letters. Without letters, if you don't know about the letters, so that will be hard for you to learn a language. So what's mean letter and the definition of the letter? Letters are the units of a language. Like every language has its own letters, rules, and grammar. So, English is also one of the languages, and 26 letters are here, means English is made of 26 letters. Those letters are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Some letters are here which have sound and some of them don't have any sound. For those letters which have sound, we have the special name of the consonants. And those who don't have any voice, we call for them vowel. 5 of them are vowels and 21 of them are called consonants. The vowels are 5: A, E, I, O, and U. The consonants are 21, which are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These all are 26 letters. So it was my first lecture. So I hope you like my video and my lecture. So thank you.